SCMHRD was one of the first institutions in India to start the MBA-Business Analytics program. With our background in management education for so long, we are a premier institution as far as management education is concerned. And when we started the business analytics program, we brought in the grains of our learning from management education into this program, whereby it was not simply limited to knowing some kind of technical stuff. We understood that these technical things needed to be known, but there has to be a structure under which this needs to be taught. So in an analytics framework, we teach the students how to first define a problem, how to structure a problem, how to identify goals, how to look at solutions under a structure, and how to communicate. So when you look at the entire program of MBA Business Analytics, it's a program which looks at this very important core of business and takes the help of technology, the latest in technology in business analytics, and tries to answer or tries to inculcate in our student a similar kind of management-oriented aptitude with analytics. Well, the field of analytics has been exploding. The velocity of data, the form of data, all these things have exploded today. You have not only data in the form of written documents, you have, of course, digital data, you have data in the form of videos, and there has been an effort of statisticians, econometricians, IT experts. They've all come together and they have understood that there has to be new methods of looking at the data, analyzing the data. So as far as the corporate world is concerned, so many questions of the corporate world, whether it is in the field of marketing, whether it is in the field of finance, whether it is in the field of human resources, they are getting answered with the help of analytics.
Hello everyone, I am Veeraja Dharne from the Business Analytics batch of SCMHRD Pune. While preparing for my MBA journey, SNAP was one of the pivotal exams I had prepared for. After clearing several rigorous rounds, I was one amongst the fortunate few who made it to SCMHRD. You get to see the exuberance of an institution like SCMHRD right from its written test, G-pivot rounds, and of course, you get to experience it personally right from day one of the college. The most impressive thing about SCMHRD is its student-run campus, which holds you exceptionally well in all the aspects along with your academics. Facilities like Bloomberg Labs, well-equipped classrooms, experienced and well-versed faculties make sure you're always on top of your game. And when all the pressure of the study stresses you out, the well-equipped gym, the swimming pool, the multi-sports arena has got you covered. I can vouch for all that I've been saying because it's just been a few months that I have started my journey with SCMHRD. I can already see a huge positive progression in my learning curve.